Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to delete YouTube playlist from computer and mobile. Deleting YouTube playlist is really very easy process, and here's how to do it. On your computer, open YouTube and sign into your YouTube account. Now click on your profile photo at the top right and click on YouTube Studio. Now click on Content and select Playlist. And here you will find all of your created YouTube playlist. Now, for example, I want to delete this playlist. So I'm going to clicking on this three dot for options and clicking on delete. Delete. And as you can see, the YouTube playlist has been successfully deleted. If you have bunch of different playlists and you want to delete all of them at once, then here is no option to delete multiple playlists at once. So you have to delete YouTube playlist one by one. And now let's see the process on mobile. On your mobile, open YouTube and sign into your YouTube account first. Then tap on your profile photo at the bottom right. Tap on View Channel and here select Playlist. And here you will find all of your created playlist. Now just tap on this three dot next to the specific playlist that you want to delete and just tap on Delete. Tap on Delete and the playlist will be deleted. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.